Hello all, welcome to the day 39 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. A gym offers two membership plans. Plan a one-time joining fee of rupees 3000 and a monthly fee of rupees 1000. Plan B, no joining fee but a monthly fee of rupees 1500. Let C be the total cost and M be the number of months. Based on the above, answer the following questions. First question, write the linear equation for the total cost of Plan A. Plan A and Plan B, joining fee and monthly fee. Under Plan A, there is a one-time payment of rupees 3000 and monthly fee of rupees 1000. Under Plan B, there is no joining fee but a monthly fee of rupees 1500. The total cost for plan A is C is equal to 3000 is the joining fee plus every month it is 1000 rupees. So 1000 M. This is the equation for the first one. Question 2. Write the linear equation for the total cost of plan B. The total cost of plan B is there is no joining fee, which is 0, plus every month the fee is 1500. So 1500 M, which is C is equal to 1500 M. Question number 3. After how many months will the total cost of both the plans be same and what is that cost? The cost of plan A and the cost of plan B is equal after some number of months. So we have to figure out that, which is 3000 plus 1000 M is equal to 1500 M minus 500 M is equal to minus 3000 and M is equal to 6, which means after 6 months the cost becomes same and we have to calculate the cost. Cost is equal to 3000 plus 1000 times 6, which is rupees 9000. Question number 4. If a person plans to use the gym for exactly 1 year, which plan is more economical? Explain. The cost according to plan A is equal to 3000 plus 1000 times M. In the place of M, let's put 12 as the question is asking for a year, which is 15,000. The cost for plan B is 1500 M, 1500 times 12, which is rupees 18,000. Comparing both the cost for plan A is less than the cost of the plan B. Therefore, plan A is economical. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.